this is dynaForm. I have created a few pages to demonstrate how the dynaForm plugin works. Okay, so basically the problem is that we cannot use nested forms in HTML. So basically a form is getting started here and it's ending here. Okay, and I have put two sub forms within this form. So what happens when I basically run this page is this. Let me refresh it. So as we can see in code, this first outer input, it is from the form, the outer form, the main one, and this inner input, that is also coming inside that only. And basically this form, HTML reads it as that it starts from here, this form, and it ends here. So basically till inner button 1, which is this one, it is taking form 1. So if I submit this, it submits both of the inputs. Okay, and if I basically and what should have happened is as there is another input inner 2, so basically when I submit this one, this inner 2 input should also be present in the outer form. So basically to overcome this problem, I wrote this small plugin, dynaForms. Okay, so let's go to this page. Here what I did is, instead of using form tag, I use div tag. Okay, and I use IDs here, and basically this is the outer form from here to here, and inside I have put two sub forms, same as the previous page. And now what I'm doing is, when I'm clicking on this inner button 2, I'm basically mentioning that this div which has ID inner form 2 should be submitted. So and I have also, as you can see, this dynaform.js, this file I have included, and jQuery min. So when I do this, yeah, I missed that point. One sec. This test page.js. So when I click on click of this ID inner button 1, I have just basically called this dynaForm plugin, which and inside I have given a few attributes. So div is inner form 1. So basically on clicking this particular button, this div is going to be submitted. The form name that is going to be assigned to that form is inner 1. The form action, basically the page to which it goes the control, it takes the control to, is inner submit.cfm. Ajax is true. So basically what if I put Ajax is equal to true, what it does is the control will go to inner submit.cfm, and it will basically this is inner form, right? So let me show you. This is the page, and when I click on this inner submit 1, this red box, which is div inner form 1, basically the output will be rendering to this particular div. So let me click on this and show you. So when I click this inner form submitted, the field name, basically the inner 1, that was the input which was present in this form, that has been submitted. So basically whatever the output we give in this page, that is the CFM page, it will get rendered to this div. And let us see. For the second inner button 2, what happens is I've given Ajax is equal to true, and here I just don't want to basically render the output to this particular Ajax, to this particular div. Okay, so here I've given this option to write a custom on Ajax call. So basically, as you can see, this function I'm calling custom on Ajax, and I have just declared this function custom on Ajax, and alert is, it just gives an alert. So I can see how it works. So basically, if I want to give some my custom Ajax call, so I can just inner submit, and it gives me custom on Ajax call. Okay, and let me refresh it, and as you can see, basically in this outer submit, this is the outer form. So basically it should include the first output, which is the outer one, and the inner input, inner 1 and inner 2. Three outputs, inputs should be there. So when I click on this, it just simply submits the form to this particular page, outer form submitted, and we, as you can see, we have got all three the inputs. And this happened because let me show you, because on this outer button I have given div outer form, form name outer, form action to the that outer submit.cfm, and ajax I have given false. The default ajax this attribute is false only. So if let me so if we give it true, then only it will take. Okay, so this is basically how the dynaForm works. And as you all know, this is a kind of a normal form only, and if I submit this form, it should just pass the control to this other outer submit.cfm file. So this is how basically this dynaForm plugin works. Thanks for